All right, so it is 3:40 and we're meant to be going to a dinner party with friends at 5 o'clock, which we're not going to make, but it's another minimum workout for me in the afternoon, which is, you know, it's what happens. You've got to roll with the punches in life. It doesn't always work out the way you want. Anybody that's been following my videos, you'll know that this last week has been it's been tough for me to get my workouts in as I intended them to, but I have still kept to doing 2 workouts a day. And if you look at that, if you add up that week, this last week that I've been training, doing 2 workouts a day, a couple of the workouts I've been doing my minimum workout instead of my planned 90-minute to 2-hour workouts. And at the end of the week now, on Friday evening, I have still done 2 workouts a day, and that is so much better to add up towards my goals than, you know, just going, oh, well, I don't have the time to do my workout, I'm not going to do it. So, my son goes back to school in another week, but I'm hoping that next week I can get back to doing sort of more regular work hours, unless I've got to speak to my wife, I've got to work out what we've got on for him. But these things happen, you know, if you're a parent like me, if you have a career that you care about, if you have a family, these things happen. You can't always do things the way that you want to do them, and it's just about rolling with the punches. And funnily enough, sometimes it's about saying no. I've had to say no a couple of times today to my wife that she wasn't happy about, but you just can't say yes all the time. But today's been a good day. It's been productive. I've got a lot done. My son made a lemonade stall today at the front of our house, and we had heaps of customers for him. He's a little budding entrepreneur. Oh. Geez, making progress on those is hard. Okay. Let's try these. Okay, let's see how this blister's going. And these calluses. When you do this hanging stuff like this every day, oh man, I forgot to put my timer on. The volume really adds up, and that of course means it adds up and makes you stronger, but it also adds up on the callus and blister front, which is brutal. That really starts to take a toll on your hands, which is why I got those wrist pads that I was wearing for my passive hanging, just to give my hands a break for at least the bilateral passive hanging. Oh, that's right on the bloody wrong part of the callus. Oh. I'm ready to shave these calluses off again. It's that's causing me to have to drop. That's where I'm feeling it. Alright, I'm going to do a second set of these today because I'm just not getting the volume in one set. Let's see what I can do now. Got to really try to relax into this and do a passive hang, and then smooth change and try to avoid any swinging. And when you start, you only hold for 3 seconds on each side, and I've progressed from 3 seconds all the way up to 10-second holds. That took me a while, but I'm there now. But I can't always do. I'm aiming for between 90 and 300 seconds, so 1.5 to 5 minutes in total. And you can do it in multiple sets, like what I'm doing now. But my last couple of workouts, I got not my last couple, about a week ago, before these blisters kicked in, I got 2.5 minutes without dropping down, which was great. But now these calluses and blisters, I'm going to have to shave these calluses off again. I don't know if you can see them, but they're big. Last but certainly not least, active and passive hanging. All right, last time I only got 3 reps on that, and even though the 5th rep was messy, it was good. It's an improvement, big improvement. So these are the parts in a minimum workout when you're rushed like I am, where I find it can really go wrong, which is when you're changing from one thing to the next, and bang, I just want to get my first set done of the handstand so I can move into my rest period and it's not blowing out my workout time. Woo! Another 5 sets of handbag. Another 5 sets of handstands in the bag. Oh man, I'm stuffed. But there it is, minimum workout, still a workout, still 5 sets of handstands. That's 5 days this week, going for 6 days again tomorrow.